how to disable two-factor authentication on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to turn off two-factor authentication on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. At this point, scroll down and tap on two-factor authentication under the My Account section. In the next step, you'll see your current two-factor authentication method that is currently active. Following this, tap on Continue to proceed to the two-factor authentication settings. Once done, tap on the toggle at the top of the screen to turn it off. From here, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to disable two-factor authentication. At this stage, tap on Turn Off to confirm your decision. After this, Snapchat may ask you to enter your password or a verification code to confirm your identity before making the change. Once completed, enter your credentials and confirm. Finally, two-factor authentication will be fully disabled on your Snapchat account. Keep in mind that turning off two-factor authentication makes your account less secure. It's recommended to keep it on to protect your account from unauthorized access. And that's it. If this Snapchat guide helped you disable two-factor authentication, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.